Welcome to this week's vlog. It's dark, cloudy, it's kind of a yucky day. Got rain, real light rain turning to snow. Haven't made a vlog for a while. It's been almost maybe 2 weeks. But if I'm not doing anything that I think I want to share, there's no use making a vlog. I know a lot of people, YouTubers, they make vlogs even when they're not doing anything. They'll be sitting around the house playing with the kids, playing with the dog, that kind of stuff. If I don't have anything unusual to vlog, I'm not going to waste my time or your time. I enjoy making the YouTube videos, but I want to make sure I upload stuff to YouTube that I think people will enjoy. And the only thing I've done in the last few days is, the last week, is a couple trips to the mall, starting Christmas shopping, different shopping plazas, and of course flying the drone. I got a few clips of different drone flights I'll share with you. I have a couple on YouTube previous, in between the last vlog and this vlog, but I'll share a few clips from some of the other flights I've done. Thank you. Beautiful sky, 62 degrees. This is more of Settlers Ridge Marketplace. Temperature's about 67. The wind is about 20 miles an hour. Not a good day for flying. Nice day out for a ride and look at the leaves. A little pumpkin. Day 3, this is our 4th shopping plaza or mall. At least I'm getting to my walking room. So that's a video for this week, and I really appreciate you watching. Thank you very much. I hope all is well with you and yours, and have a good day. Thank you.